Tun-chan, wake up. What's wrong?
I'm tired
Why are you tired?
after travel.
After travel. Yeah, so hey guys, Tiwul Cruz here with Tun-chan, and we're back in Vietnam. We just finished our trip in Singapore. We had an awesome time in Singapore. We filmed a bunch of videos and can't wait to finish editing those and share them with you guys. And unfortunately, we have some bad news. So I think I mentioned this before that we might be moving apartments, or we might need to move apartments. And actually that turned out to be the case. Our renewal was coming up on our contract here, and our landlord decided to raise our rent by over $200, which is a considerable amount. So basically we're getting kicked out of our current apartment. So we needed to find a new place to move to. And at the same time, we were also planning our trip and going to Singapore for the week. So it's been a crazy time. We just got back here to our home. This is our apartment in Da Nang. We filmed a full apartment tour video, so you can check it out. That's when it's clean. It's a little bit messy right now because we just did some laundry. We just came back from our trip and we're moving some stuff around. So one thing I am really going to miss about this apartment is this nice view. Speaking of the view, it's actually raining. So we got really lucky with our trip to Singapore. We flew there the day before a massive typhoon came here to Da Nang, and now it's the rainy season in Da Nang, so not too bad. I think it's only raining a little bit today, but hopefully it doesn't rain too much because we do got to move our luggage around. So I am going to miss this view. It was really nice for predicting the weather and seeing what was happening in different directions, so we knew the good directions to ride, because it doesn't always rain in the same directions. Sometimes it rains over here in the south, over towards Hoi An. Sometimes it rains over here in the west, and it doesn't rain over here in the east. So I am going to miss this view. Here's the table we had out on our balcony. We actually never used it because it's been so hot this summer. So ikai mo tsukatta koto nai. We didn't even use it once. And actually, it's about lunchtime right now. We just ordered some food from Grab. Just picked up the delivery. So let's bring that back to the apartment room for Tun-chan. So this is actually our first time living in a giant, massive apartment building. It's always something I wanted to try at least once. And I gotta say, I think I prefer living in a smaller place, a smaller apartment. But maybe it'd be better if we lived in a bigger apartment with some better facilities. Like the gym here is pretty small. We didn't end up using it very much. Anyway, we're pretty hungry. Tun-chan was really tired. She slept in extra today. So we actually arrived in Da Nang yesterday evening or yesterday afternoon, and yeah, just did some organization, fell asleep really quick, and Tun-chan just passed out. We had a long week in Singapore, barely any sleep, just getting up early every day. We tried going to bed early, but we were staying in hostels for most of the time, and there were lots of loud people, and so we didn't get much sleep. Lots of action, way more activity than what we're used to. So we're looking forward to some rest, but not too much rest right away because we got to prepare for the move. This is one of our favorite shops here. This is banh mi.
Yes.
So it's a nice little banh mi shop. It's a little bit more expensive than the normal banh mi, but they use some quality ingredients, so we're pretty happy. This is mine. I got the egg one. I'm a big egg sandwich fan, but I am missing the yakun toast of Singapore. So this is banh mi breakfast food or lunch anytime?
Yes.
Not breakfast food, anytime.
Anytime.
So itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Not for me.
Not for me. This is mine. I got the egg. She doesn't like the egg. Which one did you get, Tun-chan?
Traditional, I don't know. Sausage, Vietnamese sausage.
Vietnamese sausage.
Yes.
Yeah, traditional. Like this. Yeah, check that out. So these aren't too bad. These are about $1.50 each. Yeah, depending on which one you get. If you get the cheaper one, $1.50. A more expensive one, maybe $2. If you go to a normal banh mi shop, it's even cheaper, like half the price. These are a bit more expensive just because they have a better quality, I think, and better ingredients. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
And then get back to work.
Good.
All right, lunch was pretty good. Getting some work done, and we're gonna head over to our new apartment, do a quick little tour, and also we gotta clean. It's a brand new apartment building actually, but it's pretty dirty right now, so we gotta clean everything before we start putting some use to it. So we're gonna go over there, and we've got our little mop here, Vietnamese style mop. So we're gonna bring that over, and we also got this cool new bike box. I'm gonna introduce this in a later video, but not so much in today's video. Another troublesome thing is we have to move this spin bike. Hopefully we'll get that to work, and our new apartment is going to be considerably smaller, but luckily the rent is going to be half the price. I think in a future video I'm going to talk about the living costs here in Vietnam. We've been living here for a while, so let me know if you'd be interested in learning more about that. So our rent here has been about 13 million Vietnamese dong, and our rent from our new place is about 7 million.
17 ko.
Okay, 7.5 million, so about half what we're paying now, which is great. We're going to save some money, but we are losing our spare bedroom, so we're going to have to find some places to keep our bikes. We still got a few bikes here. I brought over my folding bike there the other day, so we're going to bring these bikes over pretty soon as well. We also got some cool extra accessories from the rental bikes over in Singapore from Mobot. They gave us some cool extra accessories to use on our folding bikes here. So we put this adapter on Tu and Chan's bike, and this is awesome, really useful accessory. Anyway, let's get to the new place, show you guys around, and start cleaning.
Let's go.
So luckily, today's rainstorm seems to be over, so we can start moving our stuff safely. And hopefully, the roads will dry up enough so we can go for a nice road bike ride later. We've been missing our bikes. All right, guys, here we are. This is our new apartment. They're just finished the construction on this actually, so we got pretty lucky finding this place. They just were finishing it, and we signed the contract, and we're still waiting for a few pieces, the final pieces of the puzzle, but for the most part we should be able to move here over the next few days. So right now we're bringing over all of our luggage, and we're going to be cleaning today because they just finished it. They haven't cleaned anything yet, so we've brought over a bunch of our stuff. We're going to wipe everything down, sanitize everything, and yeah, this is our new refrigerator. A little bit smaller than our last one. We got some drinks ready to put inside. We're gonna clean it first though, and here's the kitchen. Decent amount of storage space. Some shelves up top, some shelves on the bottom. And we've got a stove here, so one induction and one radiant. This is our new sink. Yeah, still a little bit dirty. We're gonna wash it, and I think we gotta go shopping today, find some new accessories, maybe some racks and stuff to make things simpler. And this is the living room area. So we've gone down one room. We've just got the living room and bedroom. This is gonna be our work table. Got a nice little window here. And yeah, actually we got a sofa. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep this. We might try and return it because I doubt we're going to use it very much. And yeah, we're already starting to run out of space. We've got two of our bike boxes here. We're gonna maybe try and store those somewhere else. We got a TV here. So I think we're gonna try and put the spin bike in here facing the TV. So yeah, maybe we'll use this as the bike storage area. We won't really have a living room, and we'll just have the dining table because yeah, I don't think we're gonna be watching much TV other than when we're doing Zwift. Let's go to the bedroom. We have a closed closet storage area here. We're opening that right now just to let it breeze out. We got some space up top, so I think we're gonna try and sneak some boxes up there. This is the new bed. We're waiting to get our new bedding, so hopefully that'll be pretty comfortable. Queen, king?
Queen, king,
I don't know.
Big bedroom.
Big bed?
Big bed.
Yes. Yeah, that's important for us. Tune needs her space. She sleeps like a starfish.
No. No.
We got a cute little balcony here as well. But yeah, we got some space out here. I'm not sure what we'll use it for. Maybe we can relax out here, get a work table as the weather's cooling down, or maybe just hang the clothes out here. And also the last room is the bathroom. So this is just a big open space bathroom. Everything we need. We got the shower here, the washing machine here, the toilet here, the sink here. Normally we wouldn't walk inside with the shoes, but we're about to clean it anyway, and it's already pretty dirty from all the workers in here before, so we're gonna clean it up. So let's go ahead and get started with the cleaning.
Let's go. Let's clean.
Let's clean. All right, guys, it's starting to look a little bit cleaner, a little bit like home. We've been cleaning in here for the last few hours. Tunchan's pretty tired, and we're still waiting for our landlord to come. They said they'd be here soon, 2 hours ago, and now they're not answering the phone, not responding to messages, so we're still waiting to get our bedding. So it looks like we're not going to be able to move over here tonight, even though we brought over most of our cooking stuff. So we're kind of in that awkward phase right now between apartments, but we got some of our difficult stuff here. Spin bike made it okay. We got our folding bikes here, so just got to bring over the road bikes. And yeah, I think this will be a pretty decent setup. We can keep the spin bike off to the side. That way we can use the TV with Zwift. We still got the sofa here. And yeah, cleaning this section, some of it was pretty nasty. There was some nasty dust on some of there, but it's nice and clean now. And we still have a few issues. So down here we seem to have a leak, so we're hoping to get that fixed. And also this plug is coming off of the wall, so they didn't stick it on there tight enough, so we're gonna get that fixed. Above the stove, this is what it looks like. Not sure if that's supposed to be how it's supposed to look when it's finished, but yeah, just need to check a few final things, make sure everything's okay, and get some of our last few items from the apartment, our bedding. I'm not sure what kind of other dishes like plates and stuff are included, so still waiting on the landlord.
Our new apartment near high school, no high school.
Middle school.
Middle school.
Yeah.
Noisy.
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 Yeah, we've had the windows open for the nice breeze. And the kids seem to be on recess for the entire day. Like they've just been screaming for the last few hours. I don't know if they have school classes like going on, or maybe it's a special gym day. I hope it's not like this every day. We'll see. Always an adventure here. So normally we have the windows and doors shut with the air conditioning, but it's nice to not use it and just have the windows open. But when you do that, you're surrounded. Construction every direction, and the school. Hopefully it's quiet at night at least. All right, so unfortunately we can't keep waiting here all day for the landlord. We got some more things to do. We got to go home, clean up some more stuff, finish editing our videos, get those uploaded, and hopefully have time for a ride. We'll see, I'm not sure.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, it's a bit of a rush coming back from Singapore, back to the grind here in Vietnam. So I think we're gonna finish this video here. We just got so much to do and can't really focus on filming too much, but thank you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed all of our videos over in Singapore. Make sure to check out our playlist from all of our videos over there. And yeah, look forward to some more videos here in Vietnam. We're gonna try and film more often. We got a bit more motivated in our time in Singapore to get back on top of things and do some more riding, do some more filming. So hopefully we'll be doing some more adventures. So a big thank you as always to all of our awesome supporters over on Patreon. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time here on Two Wheel Cruise.
Bye bye.